Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you something really quick. So you can use this tool called Clippy. Hopefully you haven't heard it before, so I can show you something new and cool. But this tool called Clippy that you can find online helps you to take any image and make it sort of any shape that you want, and it's using a ClipPath property. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a quick example on how to use it. Super, super quick, super easy. So all I did was just create this HTML doc really quickly on a Clippy test page. So as you can see, I just have a title, Clippy test. I have a link to a style sheet, which is right here. I have a div with a header class and an image with a header image class, and the source, which is this image right here. So we're just going to see it on the screen in a quick second. So I have the link to the style sheet and the header image right now, which I just have a width as 100%. So it's 100% of the screen. So just for quick, quick way of showing you how to do this. So I have an extension called Live Server. So I'm just going to open it right here so we can just pull up our image real quick. Again, this is not optimized for anything. I just literally want to show you guys how to use this tool. So we have Clippy opened here, and it's under the URL bennettfeely.com, but basically all I did was look up Clippy ClipPath Maker, okay? Clippy CSS ClipPath Maker. If you look it up in Google, you'll find it really easily. And as you can see, it kind of gives you a lot of options on the top right-hand side here. So you can do, basically you can just manipulate any of the points you see on the screen. So each point will have a percentage here at the very bottom. You can see the green relating to the green at the bottom here, the yellow to the yellow, and the red to the red. Okay, so the property is ClipPath and polygon. It's not always polygon though. As you can see here, there's a circle and there's ellipse. Okay, so I want to use pentagon because for my example, I just want to use 5 points. So as you can see, you can manipulate them however you want. I want there to be a cool kind of like cut at the bottom here. And again, you can do almost any style that you want. And then all you have to do is just copy this. So I'm going to Command C, I'm on a Mac, and then I'm going to go back to my code into the style. And as you can see, I have a class called header image that has a width of 100%. And all I have to do is Command V. I have to just paste it, and it will paste all the points on here. I'm going to Command S and save it, and then go back to my Clippy test here. And because it's a live server, the changes will take immediate effect. And as you can see, there's like a cool little cut across my image, okay? So you can do any type of, you don't have to do it on a header or hero image on your page. You can apply this to any image at all that you want. And I really like it because you just don't have to manipulate the image itself and figure out how it fits relative to the screen. You can just let Clippy do the work. Obviously, any changes that you make will reflect in this code at the bottom. So I'm going to Command C again, go back, just make the changes, save them again, go back, and the new changes have been made. Okay, I really like it. It just makes your image more dynamic and cool. It's kind of like an arrow pointing to the next section on the page. So the more copy you have and content on the bottom, you can change it. You can change the overall background color. Of course, this is just not optimized for me to make changes right now. I just wanted to really quickly show you how to use this. Yeah, so I really, really love this tool. It just makes me really happy to have an easy way to create things. The only thing I have to say is just make sure that there's browser and device support for this tool, okay? So on the newer, more modern browsers, like Chrome, you're going to be able to see this when you actually launch the website. But really old things like, I don't know, Safari, it might not be compatible with that browser. So I think there's a crazy high percentage of people using Google Chrome over Safari. But just keep that in mind, all right? And make sure that you use your developer tools here to inspect how it looks on different devices, okay? So we can check how it looks on an iPad, we can check how it looks on an iPhone, and obviously it will adapt to the size, but you're going to want to make your own media queries as well, just to make sure that it looks to your liking. But this is how it looks on a desktop. And I think it's super cool, you guys. So I hope you use it. I hope this was helpful in some sort of way. I think anything that's cool and fun to use while you're just starting out, or whether you're very experienced, it's really fun. And it's really fun to be creative with coding. So I hope that inspired you. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.